Hey, awesome musicians, this is BenJammin, and we're working on the song Last Night by Morgan Wallen. Now, in the key of A with the capo 2, and then I'm playing the A and B like this because it's easier, and then to C sharp minor, and then C sharp minor, A, B, 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 C sharp minor, pretty much like it. A, B, C sharp minor. Now in their band they do have things like a person who goes, oops. They have another guitarist who makes it easier. So feel free, if you have another guitarist, have them play that. Or of course just do it all yourself because you're awesome. Keep up the great work, take it slow, and have an awesome day. Later.